Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Can't remember what's in here. Kind of recognize the name, can't remember what's in here. We're going to find out together. If it's something that is available, I will link it. Right, I'll try and link it no matter what it is right down in the description, so you can check that out if you want to. Thanks to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below as well. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Something funny that I've seen periodically. People are like, why do you say the same thing over and over again in your intro? You know, some people will get mad. They're like, it's so annoying. Like, we've heard it. Well, partially because, you know, there's new people all the time. It's not the same people watching all the time. Number two, it's just one of those things that you sort of, I like to keep the intro. And this is, what I'm doing right now is I'm giving the impression that I'm opening up the doors for suggestion on whether or not I should change it. I'm not going to change it. The thing that is usually said is, I just skip it. Like, I don't even listen anymore. I just skip. You should do that. If you know what I'm going to say, you should skip my intro. You silly geese. Okay, so here's what we're going to do here. We're going to read this note. Is there another? There's a little card in here. Okay, so this was sent by Harvey. Okay, thank you very much, Harvey. Feel free to use, disassemble, and carry. I'm looking forward to the video. Oh, wait. It says Ryan. Okay, so it's oh, there's much more on this side. Hey, MC, I found your channel during COVID, and it has really inspired me. Inspired my growing interest in the knife hobby. Just happy to contribute something in return. Enclosed, you will find a couple of interesting knives I've acquired. The big boy is the blank. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm very interested now. I picked up the regular version on sale a while back and was surprised by how much I loved it. When I learned blah, 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 was going to sell a giant version in 154 cm and a button lock, I just had to pick it up. I don't blame you. I'm actually super interested. Reading. Thought you might also enjoy the... Okay, I might. Let's take a look. And then the return information. Thank you very much. So, let's open this first. Olone Knives. All right, I've not heard of this company. Let's take a look here. All right. Okay. Yeah, very nice flipping action. Very nice here. Check out this D10. Snap. That's something that I really like. I like a nice crispy, like an alligator snapping turtle. That's what I like to see. Yeah. Very nice quality on this. Not super pumped about the angle of the flipper tab when I'm choked up here, but fit and finish is very good. I like the profile of this, right? The whole titanium bolster to carbon fiber look. A little bit slight contouring. And this is a titanium bolster lock with CPM 20 CV. Is this... Yeah, oh, let me figure out. Let me look at his note here and see what it says. The other knife is the Butron, B-U-T-R-O-N, by Olome Knives in collaboration with We. Okay, so there you go. That's who made this, is We. Very nice, interesting knife. I will absolutely give that guy a full look. Let me look here. That's the regular one, and that's the big boy. Okay, let's open this guy, because I want to save the big boy for the end. Got to get that watch time. But we can just fast forward it. Then you should. I'm going to get some fiery responses. Another Begleiter here, and the reason that this is in here is I'm glad that he included that. It's so that I can compare it with Kizer. I love you guys, but your packaging drives me absolutely insane. This is the, oh my gosh, This is the XL Begleiter. That's a button. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Oh, the profile of the blade is different. Yeah, wow. It definitely is bigger, and it's thicker too. Not crazy, but super duper smooth button lock. I will link this guy down below if I can. I love the finish on the blade. Wonderful. This is exactly how a tumbled finish should look. We have high reflectivity actually, and then a nice sort of, I call it a grain pattern, right? It's just the tumble marks from the media. Beautiful. Awesome flipping action. Awesome. Just the whole button lock element here is great. And then we have thumb studs on top of the fact that it's got a flip. This is a super fidgety knife, actually. You've got a flipper tab, thumb studs, and then you have the button, which you can also use to sort of, whip it in and out. Awesome. And then I'm going to call this, I'm going to call that an upgraded clip. It's not perfect, but it's definitely preferable, at least, it's my preferences. It's definitely preferable over the old clip. I would say aesthetically, like all the way around, this knife look how they did the swedge up here. The blade profile is a little bit different. That's a good looking knife. And knowing that this is a 154 cm Kizer, this is Vanguard, so not going to be horribly expensive, right? This isn't, people complaining like, you show knives, they're too expensive. Not nearly as expensive as some of the stuff that I've been showing here lately. This guy actually is probably, in fact, undoubtedly the most expensive thing on the table. And then these two are going to be substantially less expensive. That's awesome. The XL button lock Begleiter. That was a good idea. That was a cool knife I didn't know that I wanted. The Begleiter has always been, since it came out in what? Was it 2018 when the Begleiter came out? People like that knife, right? This is a cool way to sort of bring it back. And I like the idea of bringing things back that were popular, but like making a smaller or much larger version of it that's got some new element, right? In this case, like this was a perfect idea. Begleiter plus button lock plus flipper tab with a new blade shape. That's awesome. I will link these guys down below if I can. Very, very cool. Thank you so much once again to Ryan for sending this in. He says I have no social media. That's fine. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives. They're either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.